Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do partial product. There it goes. I'm going to show you how to use partial product in case your kid has come home and they've showed you how to multiply using a box and you're not really sure what's happening. You want to help support them. So I just want to show you what that'll look like. So for example, if our problem is 23 times 87, okay, it's a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So they're going to draw a box that is a 2-digit by 2-digit box like that. So there's 1, 2 by 1, 2. So they're thinking of an array. And you're going to break apart each place value. Okay, I always tell my kids, whichever one is first, I usually just put up top. For no rhyme or reason, that's just what I do. So you're looking at each number and you're asking yourself, what is the value of that number? Because this is not just a 2, that's a 20. So we're going to put 20 here. And this 3, since it's in the ones place, is also worth 3. Okay? Now we have 87. This 8 is in the tens place, so that means it's worth 80. And this 7 is in the ones place, so that means it's worth 7. So we've set up our partial products. Now we're going to be cross multiplying. So the first thing we're going to be multiplying is these numbers right here, 80 times 20. Okay? 8 times 2 is 16. And then I see 1, 2 zeros. So I'm going to add 2 zeros to the end. That means that 80 times 20 equals 1,600. The next thing we're going to multiply is 80 times 3. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. And then I only see 1 0, so it's 240. Next is 20 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. I see 1 0. And then in the last box, it is 7 times 3, which equals 21. Oops, excuse me, 21. Right? So we call this partial products because these are 4 different little products. So we're going to come to the side, and we're going to add them up. 160, 1,600, 240, 140, and 21. Okay, we're going to the side. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 2. So that means that our answer is 2001. So that's what partial products looks like. I can show you another one real fast. So we have 39 times, let's say 40. Okay. This is a 2 by 2 problem. So that means I'm going to do 30 and a 9. Now here's the tricky part. The 4 is worth 40. The 0 in the ones place is worth 0. Okay, so it's like we're adding them together. We're not combining them, but adding them together. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Add 2 zeros. 4 times 9 is 36. Add 1 0. 30 times 0 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. Okay, go off to the side. I have 1,200, 360, and then I have my zeros. I can add them in or I can skip them. 0, 6, 5. So that means that 39 times 40 equals 1,560. Okay? Let me show you one more problem. Let's say we had 3,896 times 7. This one is a 1, 2, 3, 4-digit by 1-digit number. So you have to draw a box that is 4 by 1. That one is kind of like a long rectangle. You're going to split it into 4 parts, like that. Okay, the 3 is worth 3,000, that's the value. The 8 is worth 800. The 9 is worth 90. The 6 is worth 6. And then the 7 has to go over here because it's a 1. It's a 1 by 4 box. This one, it does matter. Now we're doing multiplying. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 3 zeros. 7 times 8 is 56. Add 2 zeros. 7 times 9 is 63. Add 1 0. 7 times 6 is 42. No zeros. Okay, now we're going to come to the side, and we're going to add them. Oops, 21,000. 5,600. We have 630. And we have 42. Is that right? Yes. 2722172. So the answer is 27,272. Again, if you don't like partial products, you're welcome to have your child do the standard algorithm, but a lot of kids like this because it's very visual, and a lot of kids are really successful in it. So I tell them to choose whichever one they like the most. So that is partial products.